Okay, right, welcome back to another video. Original plan today was to do an oil change, but she wouldn't start when I tried to start her to warm the engine up. So I'm thinking instead we'll investigate why she won't start. So we're gonna have a quick look at the spark plugs, pull them out, see what they look like, clean them up, adjust the gap if need be, and then we'll probably dive in the distributor, just check the point gap on that, see where we go from there really. The only other thing I can think of is we've got a leak on the vacuum pump slash fuel pump, because they're part of the same unit, and that's leaking quite badly and started fairly recently, because she's been getting harder and harder to start recently. So we'll check out those few things and see where we end up. Okay, so you see I've got one of the plug leads off already. We'll have these out one by one and see where we end up. We'll take a look at them. Okay, right, let's have these out. Let's have a look. Looking quite fuely and dirty. Okay, quite a bit of crap on there as well. So, okay, we'll give them a clean. We'll go run through them all, give them a clean, see where we end up. Might just check the point gap on it. I need the book for that. It tells me what the spark plug gap should be. So I'll have a quick look at that, see if I've got a feeler gauge in there. Yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, right, so here's a bit, there's all the information we need. So spark plug point gap is 0.028 inch to 0.030, which is 0.71 to 0.76 millimeter. So I'll find the feeler gauge and we'll just check these as we go through. Okay, right, it appears I don't have a feeler gauge big enough, so what we'll do, we'll just clean these up as best we can. Unfortunately I forgot my wire brush, so I'll just scrub these down with a rag. Yeah, looks like we might be running a bit rich. I don't know. Things you gotta remember, I've been cranking it with the choke pretty close, so I don't know. We'll run through these anyway, see where we end up. There we go. That's what that one looks like. There's that one. There's that one. Doesn't look terrible, that one. That's that one. That one does not look particularly nice at all. There you go. There's the last one. That one looks very dry. Huh. Right. That's those in. Next, I suppose, to check the point gap on the points. Okay, next thing we're going to do is check the points. So the distributor point gap is let's see, 0.014 inch to 0.16. So we'll find the appropriate feeler gauge. Hopefully, yeah, we'll probably put right between there. So we'll go 0.15, and we'll check the points gap. Okay, so we're just going to pop the distributor cap off. Pull that off and move that aside. Gonna pull that rotor arm off, and then I have to turn the engine a little bit so the peak of the cam is on the spring arm of the points there, so we can then measure the point gap and check that that's correct. So I'll leave you there. I'll grab the handle and go over something. Okay, that looks just to be spot on that. Looks like it's a little on the tight side. Let's see what R4 does. Here's a little on the tight side of spec. Should really be on 5. Prefer it to be in the middle of spec, to be honest. Let's just see that 1.5 in there again. Trying to tell if it's moving at all. I'll put that in. It's pretty close. I might just adjust it a little bit. think that's probably it about there. I think that's it there. Just tighten these screws down. Okay. Let's check those again, just make sure we're happy. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. So yeah, they were a little on the tight side. I think they were still just about in spec, but I like to be in the middle of spec, so there we go, we're in the middle of spec. Right, that's that taken care of. I think a new rotor armour and a new cap might be soonish, but they still look reasonably okay, so I'll leave them for now. Right, let me just out of the gun. So I might move you out of the way, but go. Oh, that's good, isn't it? There we go. Right. All on. Okay. Shall we see? She'll do us the honour of starting now. Might be a bit late for doing that oil change now, but if she starts, I'm maybe at least a little bit happy. We'll try this with the engine cowl off, and if it still doesn't start, we'll perhaps have a plug out and see if we're getting any spark. Right, choke's out. I might have to stick the jump box on this. I'll set the jump box on this. Oh, hello. She tried to go then. I think if I get to my little jump pack out, this will go. Yeah, okay. I'll be back. Okay. Jump box is on. Let's see. Oh, she tried. She's trying. Come on, girl. Come on, she wants to go. Hey. put these back on. I might bring it with me for the ride, I don't know yet. Coming around in a loop back to where we were earlier. Well, it's not quite what I envisaged doing today, but at least he starts better, and we've decided we need new spark plugs at some point. So, yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put this in terms of a video, but I might throw it in with a few other small jobs or something. I'm not sure, but switch this off. Battery's nicely charged after that, which is excellent. Oh, well, that was fun. Right. Well, if this is the end of the video, I'll catch you next time. If I throw something else in this, well, then there'll be something else that follows, but we'll see. Right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.